Article. A, an, and the are called article. A and are called indefinite articles because they do not point out to any particular or definite person or thing. Example: I saw a girl eating an apple. The is called the definite article because it is used when we speak of some particular person or thing. Example: I saw the girl. Here, let us look at article. A, and, the. These three words are called article. A, and, the. These are called article. A is used in front of words which does not have vowel sound. And is used in front of words which has vowel sound. For example, look at this sentence. I saw a girl eating an apple. Here, girl is beginning with G, which is not a vowel, so we use a girl. Whereas apple, A is vowel, so we use an apple. In the same way, a girl refers to any girl. An apple refers to any apple. That is, a girl refers to one girl or any girl. An apple refers to one apple or any apple. In the case of the is called definite article because it is used when we speak of some particular person or thing. For example, if we know about whom we are talking about, for example, a girl and her name is Sarah, so we can say the girl. When we say the girl, then it is understood that we are referring to Sarah. So a and an are used for things which are not specified. A and an is used for things which are not specified. It can refer to anything. For example, a book, a pen, an apple, an umbrella, a ball, an ice cream, a book, an egg. So note that when a word begins with vowel, then we use an apple, an orange, an ice cream, an umbrella. But if it is not beginning with vowel, it is not beginning with vowel, then we use a book, a pen, a ball, a cap. So look at the example. I saw a girl eating an apple. So girl is not beginning with vowel, so it is a girl. Whereas apple is beginning with vowel, so we we read it an apple. So a and an are called indefinite article. The is called the definite article because it is used to point to particular thing or person. For example, we know one person is having red book. For example, Sarah is having red book. Okay, so we can say, give me the book. Sarah, please give me the book. when we say, Sarah, please give me the book, then we can clearly understand the book means the red book which Sarah is having. That is why the is called definite article. That is, we are talking about definite things. In the example, Sarah, please give me the book. That means we are referring to the red book that Sarah is having. So, a and an are indefinite article. The is definite article. Here is used before word that does not begin with vowel, and an is used before word that begin with vowel, and the is used for specific word which is already spoken about. Okay, thank you.